Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Wi-Fi password on your laptop. So if your PC or your laptop is connected to Wi-Fi and now you want to change the Wi-Fi password, maybe because someone else has access to the Wi-Fi password and you don't want to change it, then this is what you simply need to do. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and visit this particular IP address. This is the IP address for most Wi-Fi network. If this is different from your Wi-Fi IP address, you can check the back of the Wi-Fi package for the IP address. Then visit the IP address. Go ahead and click on login at the top right. Tag in your login username and password. In most cases, the username is admin if you have not changed it, and the password is admin. So type in admin as username and type in admin as password. But if you have changed it, type in your username and then type in your password. Then go ahead and click on login. Once you click on login, you're going to see the user end of the Wi-Fi you are connected to. So this is going to different based on your router or based on your network provider. So go ahead and select Wi-Fi settings. Then under Wi-Fi settings, you see different information here. You want to select whether you're using 5G or you're using 2.4G network. So in this case, let's change the Wi-Fi network for my 2.4G Wi-Fi settings. Then here, this is your SSID, which is your Wi-Fi address. So this is what to connect to. Then type in the password. Now to change the Wi-Fi password, come to where you say Wi-Fi password, delete it, and type in your new password. Once you type in your new password, scroll down, locate and find the save button and click on it. Then hang on for the Wi-Fi password to be changed. Once the Wi-Fi password is changed, then you should see a pop-up that says you have successfully changed the Wi-Fi password. And after that, you are good. So that's exactly how to change Wi-Fi password on laptop. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.